This right here is going to be a quick video on how I like to double lanyard. How do I pass unions in the tree? And if you've been listening to my channel for any amount of time, you know that double lanyarding is pretty much mentioned in every single one of my videos. So here it is. Get up to your union, and then to pass it without leaving yourself at risk for a fall, you want to just throw another lanyard up first, or you can use your climbing system, but I like to use a second lanyard, and the second lanyard comes in handy for many other things too. So here it is, the upper D lanyard. It gets clipped on and tightened all at the same time, and right after that my load is now in my upper D's, and I can disconnect my lower D lanyard.